We're at the Grant residence in Fairfield, California. We just finished this shower and tub. And some of the features on this one here is it's a curbless shower. So there is no curb here. And all the corners are seamless. We have a linear shower drain here that's removable. All the joints are seamless. Double soap box here. Then over here we have a matching tub. This is a custom made tub. Color rain cloud. It's all seamless. It was designed to fit the homeowner. She wanted a certain angle on the back here. We did that. The curb in the front is all seamless.